Hi guys, today I'm going to show you a long chain which will go with your western wear. As usual, take some M-Seal and start making a ball shape. Use the bump of your hand. Now make a hole with a toothpick. You have to make the hole both the sides. So penetrate the toothpick both sides to give a bigger hole. And then start rolling it again. Keep the hole in place and repeat the process again. Now I am rolling it vertically to give an oval shape. Once this is done, you can use your hand to mold it until you achieve the actual shape. Now insert the toothpick and keep two bottles on either sides and let it dry. Once this is dry, I am going to use finisher tool backside of the brush or a toothpick to hold the bead. Use a pencil. You can use B pencil or H pencil. It will have less graphite and it will not spread the black color onto the M-Seal too much. So I am starting to draw a flower petal. Once you draw two petals, make a line to match where all the petals should end. Once this is done, I am going to repeat the same even the other side. Don't touch the pencil area, it might spread. Now I am using a toothpick to hold. Again I am going to repeat the same pattern even the other side. Once this is done, I am using yellow and dark pink shade. I am using a 00 brush. Make sure you don't use much water. Never mix water to this paint when you are painting very small amount of portion. So I am going to paint pink color for all the petals. Once this is done, I am going to apply yellow color. First start covering the places in between the petals. Here I am using a single 0 brush. So try to cover it as much as possible, but do not disturb the pink color. Once this is covered, I am using a black color. Even here I am not going to mix any water. I am drawing the outline. I have repeated the same process other side, and I have made a simple design like a spiral design to cover the bead, and I will apply varnish and dry it for 1 hour. This is a gear wire. I have taken approximately 25 inches long, so when you bend it half, it is going to be 12.5 inches each side. This is a ready-made chain which is available on stores. I am going to cut it into 2 halves. Now I take mid of each chain and I'll insert a gear wire inside. So now there will be 4 chains hanging at the bottom. After this is done, I am going to put a gear lock. Put the gear lock, make it tight and press it with the tool. Now I will use a bead, silver bead, and then a silver bead cup. This is called a silver cup. That cup will hold the bead intact. So pull the bead. Now you do the reverse. Put the cup and then the silver round bead. After this, I am going to add black, yellow, pink beads to give the length. So I will continue doing this both the sides. It is going to be alternative colors. Once this is done, this chain is not going to be an adjustable chain. It is just a ready to wear chain. So here I take one end of the string and I put the gear lock inside. After doing this, take the other end of the gear wire and push it inside the gear lock. So basically 2 ends are into the gear lock in opposite direction. For safer side, you can put the string into 1 or 2 beads and pull it tight. Now press it with the tool, make it strong, push it into another bead and you can cut the excess string. This chain is going to be a longer one which will stay below your bust level and above your navel level. That's the length you will have. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.